free helicopter. Let's go. And Mr. Plane. Let's go. Done. Help us. Okay, we have 132 CX for you. Wow. 1,370 winners. Second time in a row, we have a huge win. Wow. 7x right now, we have the highest one. Yes, red was 115x. And big orange is 132x. Okay, 2x and a little blues. 10x we have right now the highest one. Okay, you can take it res if you want to. Someone saying in chat. Okay, so that's the flag. We have 4x and 3x on the wheel. And we have 3x. 481 winners that I wish into with 3x from the wheel. Okay, so how are we doing so far after good bonuses? How are you feeling? 7x we have here, the biggest one on the wheel. And we have here 4x. 530 winners that I wish into the session. Welcome new players. How are you doing? How are you feeling? Take it time. 2x big oranges and 7x we have here the highest one. Over 500 winners that I wish into this game. Again, 5x and 3x. Oops. That's sad. Oh, okay. Let's see. 2x, low.